Again, I'm back with another tutorial related JavaScript DOM, and in this tutorial we are going to learn window moveBy and moveTo methods. Here you can see on your screen we have a window named A, and using this window I open another window which is B, and we already learned about open method in our previous tutorial. With that, we also learned about specifications. As I told you in our previous tutorial, if we do not pass left and top value, by default it's going to open our window at the left top corner. But we can specify the window position using left and top value. But now, after create the window B, I want to move the window. I want to move the window from the window A, not from the window B. For that, we have two methods, moveBy and moveTo. Both the methods do the same job, but there are minor differences. So without wasting your time, let's start the practical and see how we can use it. So side by side, I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I open my previous HTML document. In our previous tutorial, we learned how we can open a window in a specified position with specified height and specified width. So at first, I'm going to create another button. So I duplicate the button and I'm going to change the button name, which is Move Window. Move Window. Also, I'm going to change the function name, Open Window to Move Window. After save the file, as you can see, now we have total two buttons, Open Window and Move Window. And then I'm going to remove the left and top property because I want to place it default position, mean left top corner. And now we need to create the Move Window function. So I copy the function name and here I'm going to type function, and our function name is Move Window. Then inside the curly braces, first I'm going to use moveTo method. So here I'm going to type my window dot moveTo. Then inside the round braces, we need to pass total two parameters. We need to specify the position. Here I need to pass total two values, left and right. So for x-axis I'm going to take 100, and comma for y-axis also I'm going to take 100. And so I'm going to end this line and I'm going to save this file again. Now let's save the code and try to open the window. So as you can see, after press open window button, it opens a new window at default position. If I press move window button, it's not going to work. Let me show you. Here I press move window button. As you can see, after press move window button, it not move our window at the specified position. If I show you my console section, inspect console, here you can see an error. Because if we redirect to someone else's website, then we cannot move the window. Then we cannot control the window. Browsers are not allowed to permission to do it. But if I remove the URL bar, then what happens? So here I'm going to pass a blank value to our first parameter. So I remove it and save the file again. Now again I'm going to press open window button. It open our window. And now I want to move the window. If I press move window button, now you can see it move our window perfectly. Now we are in our own website. That's why we can control the browser window. Now the problem is, after move the window, we lose the focus of this window. Now it's focused to this window. So now after move the window, I want to focus the window. For that, we need to use another method, which is focus. My window dot focus method. And then semicolon to end the line. And I'm going to save this file again. And again, I'm going to open another window. After press open window button, as you can see, it create a window. If I press move window button, now you can see, now it redirect to focus to this window. Now what? If I specify the exact position when we open the window, let me show you. So here I'm going to pass left and top value once again. Left equal to 300 pixel. Top equal to 300 pixel. Now let's open the window again. So I'm going to press open window button. Now you can see it open our window in specified position. From left side it take 300 pixel. From the top also it take 300 pixel. If I press move window button, it move our window to the exact position where we specified. Now let's talk about our another function, which is moveBy. So I'm going to duplicate this line and comment out previous one. And here I'm going to use moveBy method. MoveBy. moveTo function move our window according to the screen, but moveBy function move the window according to the relative position. Let me show you what. So to save this file, if I press open window button, as you can see, it open our window at the specified position. But if I press move window button, now you can see it move our window from the relative position. From this position, it move 100 pixel at left, also from the top. So this is the usage of moveBy and moveTo function. Just one thing you need to remember. moveTo function work from the absolute position and moveBy function work from the relative position. So this is the basic difference between two functions. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.